Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about Business Succession Planning 101. Before we get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, Business Succession Planning 101. Business succession planning is thinking about how you're going to, what you're going to do with your business when you're gone, okay? I just had a conversation about this today with a potential client that's about to be a new client. And it's something I haven't talked about for a long time. I know I've talked about it before, but it's been a while. And I wanted to just give a brief overview about what to think about, how to approach this so that you can start to take action on it, because it's something that takes a little bit of work. It's something that takes a little bit of thought. And often we don't want to spend the time thinking about and working on this stuff until it's too late. And then everything is a huge mess, okay? So to begin with, I think it kind of matters what type of business you have on how you're going to approach the problem. If you have a service-based business like I do, it's trickier often to sell that business. It may not be worth as much, or you may not have, there may not be people around that want to buy it. If that happens, or if that's the case, then you're gonna have to think about what you wanna do, okay? Because question number one is really, do you want to sell the business? Do you want to get like the family out of the business? Or is the family going to remain in the business and own at least a piece of the business, okay? If you know you want to sell it, it's relatively straightforward. You'll get a business broker, you'll sell the business, right? Whoever you put into place to perform that duty will happen. If you want to keep some of the business, it can get trickier, but there are different things that you can do. First things you're going to do is you're going to think about how can you get bought out of some of your position. What people will often do is have the business purchase life insurance on the owner, and then that provides liquidity for whoever's going to buy the business to actually buy the business internally. So if you have like employees that you want to be able to sell the business to, you could set it up so that some of those assets, some of the cash in the business can be used as a payout to the family to purchase some sort of an interest for your employees, for example, or for your business partner even, okay? So you're gonna think about those things from that perspective. Then you have to think about, if you do want to keep some of the business, how much do you want to keep? Is there a family member that you want to be like an owner-operator? Are they going to be more of a silent partner? Do you have other people that will want to buy the business? And then based on those answers, you're going to begin reworking your estate plan, for example. If you're going to give some of the business to some of your employees, you want to have that in your estate plan. If you're going to sell it to them, then you probably will want to have some of that in your estate plan. And you may need to or want to modify the operating agreement or like the articles or the bylaws or whatever of your corporation to allow for the things to happen that you want to have happen. So when it comes to business succession planning, you will often have like at least two hats in the ring. You'll have your estate planning attorney and you'll have your business attorney. Sometimes that can be the same person. I don't do any of the business stuff. I try to be really great at what I do, which is estate planning and probate. And so I know enough about business to run my own business, to know how it works and operates. But when it comes down to the details, to the language, to making sure that things aren't missed, I, like you, would hire an expert, which is a business attorney, to do that, to make sure both sides are sort of cleaned up, okay? That's really it. Once you get to those pieces of the puzzle, then you're going to make decisions that are very specific to your business, to your family, to what's important to you from a philosophical standpoint, from a value standpoint, and you're going to do whatever you want to do. I think the two most important things that I would remember as part of this process is, number one, you should do it. Okay, it's something that needs to be done. And number two, there's no real right or wrong way to do it. It just needs to meet your needs, taking into account all of the things that you need to think about. This is why you talk to estate planning attorneys and business attorneys, so that they can give you the full field, and then you can pick and choose what you want to do or not do. And whatever you choose is going to be the right answer, as long as you can see everything that there is to see when it comes to making the right choice. Okay, that's it. Business Succession 101. Okay, obviously there's a lot more depth to this, but I only have a few minutes. I wanted to get this out there. Maybe I'll talk about some more of this in depth. If you have, as always though, if you have questions or comments, let me know. I will answer them. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you're someplace you can subscribe and you don't want to miss future episodes, subscribe. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.